Hey everyone, time for a quick check of the garden. It is a Tuesday morning in the second half of April, and so here is what we've got growing right now and where we're headed. Oh, there's a pretty robin over there. And another little bird. Anyway, so currently my first batch of peas are just popping up. I planted these, I believe it was April 1st, so they've been going for about 2 or 3 weeks. A week and a half later, I planted another batch in this box, and unfortunately the chickens got in here and scratched around, so I'm not sure. Oh yeah, there's actually a seed, and there's one there. And you probably need to go through and double check that these seeds are still okay and able to grow. That's just, oh, there's a little one. There's a little pea sprout. Okay, good. Peas are starting to grow in this box too. My green stalk towers are looking good. I still haven't got, if you saw my video where I assembled these, I still haven't got my other bags of soil to do the next layer, but it's okay. I'm not ready to plant the next layer yet. I have, first day I had planted broccoli, carrots, and some mixed lettuce, and starting to get some itty bitty little sprouts out of there, which is good. Just today I planted another few pockets of just regular, about to fall over, some regular romaine lettuce. I did the same thing over on this tower over here. So I have 3 full layers so far. Still got another layer to go, and then I'll have one more layer on top. When we first moved into this house, I thought it was really strange that there was a slider door off of a bedroom over here, because we have the main slider door over there that comes off from the big basement area. So it seems really weird to be able to have outdoor access from just a random bedroom in the basement, but it has become very handy for putting my starts. Replaced my rain gauge today because the old one got some cracks in it, and you can't measure water when it doesn't hold water. So I got a new rain gauge. Garlic seems to be growing well. I was just looking at over in this corner here, it looks like, and you can kind of see how I space them out. Over in this corner, there should have been 2 more sprouts. Oh, that doesn't look like garlic, but garlic is doing well. So going forward, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes, and I will have, that robin is not happy with me. And I will have 2 more layers, 2 more tiers on the green stalks to work with. I do also plan on getting trellises, those cattle panels, and doing an arch so that the peas can grow from one box up the trellis over to the other side. And then on the back side of each of those boxes, I plan to do some more lettuce, since it'll be hopefully be a little bit shaded, keep it a little bit cooler once the peas start to grow up a little bit. And then in this space here, we'll take out the cinder blocks since we've moved the compost pile out by the chicken coop, and the kids really want to grow some watermelons. So I'll put a plant or 2 of watermelons over here, as well as probably 1 or 2 zucchini plants. I can get zucchini easily from others, so that's not that important. And there's an airplane going over. So I have 4 boxes and 2 green stalk tiers to work with. I have to plant out my peppers and tomatoes, and then green beans once the weather warms up. I'm not sure exactly what's gonna go where. Probably the beans in the towers, maybe No, I don't think I'll have room to put the peppers in the towers. I need more garden space. I planted way too many peppers and tomatoes, but I really want to preserve a bunch this fall, so we'll see what we can do. Maybe I'll try to find some ways to put more tomatoes elsewhere. So that's where we're at for this part of the year. It's really cold out, so I'm gonna head back inside. Wanted to keep this video short. It's supposed to actually get even colder tonight. We should be dipping down into the 20s, and I haven't planted anything that is not frost hardy, so we should be good to go. But we do have some friends who are apple tree farmers, and so we're hoping that things turn out okay for them overnight the next couple of nights. Let me know if you like my setup, if you like how things are going here, if you have any questions. Follow along and see how things progress throughout the summer. Thanks for watching.